Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Microsoft Excel in Android phone. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can go to this Play Store, and after that, you can search for this Excel like this, and after that, you will choose this Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. And since I have tried to install it, so it will be the button, or there will be the button of the install, and this will be the look after the installation, guys. And after that, you can continue to click open, and this will be the section to do the sign up first, and after that you can click the sign in if you have already had the account. And for example, I will start to do the sign in, and after that this will be the section to put your email, phone, or the Skype, and you can start to put it over here. And after that, after you put your email, so this Microsoft will give you the next information that you need to input your code, so you can check out or check it out into your inbox. And after that I will put the code into this section, and after inputting the code, so this Microsoft will direct you into this section. And as you can see here that you can get the 30 days of free trial for using the Microsoft 365 for the personal purposes. You can, if you are interested, then you can start to click this, but if you would like to skip it, then you can click the close. And after that, this will be the section to work on with this Microsoft Excel from your smartphone. And I will start to click plus over here and start to, let's say, click this blank workbook. And you can also take a tour over here, let's say, to have the quick list. Welcome to Excel to have the take a tour, making the list, and many more, guys. Until, let's say, to make the video game tracker, you can go to this blank workbook, and this will be the section, and you'll see this is the, let's say, the cell that you can use, and this is the try out the card view, for example. And after that you can start to put the data over here. And if I would like to, let's say, do the sum or the add or multiplication, I'm sorry, so you can start to create it over here. For example, I will type the data, I'm sorry. You can click enter or formula over here, plus I'm sorry, 1 and 2. And for example, I want that this 1 will be added with this 2, so the result gonna be, I will use this equal and select this cell and click plus, and after that click this check, and this will be the result, guys. So if you would like to use this Microsoft Excel, so it will be still working into your smartphone, guys. Just in case if you don't bring the laptop, so you can use this smartphone as your alternative. And for example, I will start to use the another formula. For example, here I would like to try the sum formula, or the sum formula, I'm sorry. So you can start to put your data over here, and after that you can start to use the formula, for example, equals, and after that sum. So if you find the look of the keyboard like this, don't worry, you can go back to this normal keyboard and type sum. Equal sum, click this, and after that it will be showing you the formula over here. For example, I will just drag this data from here to this one like this, and after that click OK or green button over here. So this will be the result, guys. So don't forget to try this Microsoft Excel into your Android phone, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.